My bank account is crying. Damage! Damage! But I don't care. Your girl is happy. I got what I've been wanting for such a long time. I've always wanted to purchase this eyeshadow palette, and for some reason it was always out of stock, but I got it on sale, so I decided to get two of them because why not? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl official Coco-Glam. So if you're new to my space, you're most welcome, and for all my returning subscribers, as always, I love you so much and thank you for always supporting my content. So today I have a major makeup haul from Morphe. So actually the damage that I've done. So if you're interested to know what I got, keep it locked in here, and without further ado, let's jump into that video. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to unbox this makeup with you guys so that you can see everything that is in here. And I got these two Jaclyn Hill palette featuring Morphe. So this is how it looks like, and I had already got this palette before, and when my sister was visiting, she took it and I say I would buy it, and because it was always out of stock, I decided to get two of them because I really love the pigmentation of this palette and the colors and everything. So this is how the colors looks like. Yes, I got myself also this foundation. This is my favorite foundation, and this goes for 20 euros normal price, but I got them at a bargain of 7 euro, so I've saved €26 out of this foundation, sorry. And I also got this one, this darker one, and this is shade F120 and F550, and also this one goes for 7. I got them on sale at 7 euros. Also got myself these concealers, and this concealer I can't remember very well, but they were also on sale. Yes, and I got myself these brushes. Oh my god, these brushes were very expensive. They cost around 178 euros if I'm not mistaken, but I got them at 78 euros. Guys, I saved 100. It's always good to wait if you can't buy, and you'll be checking on these sites when they're having sales. Maybe you can get a bargain. So I will do another video with all these brushes that are in here, and I like that it comes handy with this. So I will do another video to show you what brushes and their uses, and yeah, and let me see what's inside here. So just to show you how everything looks like. Oh my. So actually these are the brushes that I got, and for the sizes, I think they are very good, and with the packaging, so anytime that I have work, I just know that I'm having this and makeup and I'm good to go. So I made a damage. There was a damage, but it was a positive damage. I like it. So anyway, this marks the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. Kindly go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends, comment, and don't forget to click on the notification button so that you are notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.